A good check for this is to put your hand against the wall near the light source and you can get a bit of a shadow. Hey guys, Chris here from Pretty and Green. Today we're going to discuss whether you have bright, medium, or low indirect light in your space. And this fiddly fig tree is in what we would consider bright but indirect light. It's the premier light source for all types of houseplants. And we know it's perfect because this type of light wouldn't sunburn us, so we know it's perfect for these plants. A good check for this is to put your hand against the wall near the light source and you can get a bit of a shadow around your hand, and we know that it's a soft shadow and not a hard shadow. That means we're in indirect sunlight but not direct sunlight, and that's what you want. And this is what we would consider to be a medium light situation. My hand isn't able to cast a hard shadow on the wall. It's starting to become faint from the opposing light source, and these plants are often situated in the middle of rooms, often a few feet from windows. And this is what we would consider to be a low light situation. This plant is situated in a hallway. They're often found in bedrooms or bathrooms, and my hand's not able to cast a shadow from the light source. So we know this is low but indirect light.